Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price action has everyone asking, are we back or is it over? Let's rewind and dive into yesterday's comparison of Bitcoin with the S&P 500 to see what we can learn. Watch it till the end. This involves movements in Bitcoin and the overall space. The S&P 500 had a flash crash on December 19th, dropping 4.2% to its lowest level since early November 2024. Today it's back at those same levels, but now appears to be gearing up for a move to the upside. What did Bitcoin do during that same time? Between December 18th and 19th, Bitcoin fell from its highs of $104,000, down 7.9% to $96,000. It found its bottom a day later on December 20th at $92,000, just as the S&P 500 found its bottom at $5,830. If you still think there's no correlation between Bitcoin and the SPX, I don't know what to tell you. From those lows, Bitcoin rallied 11.5% to yesterday's highs, while the S&P 500 only managed a 2% gain and has been mostly trending down. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has been in a clear uptrend. Now let's try to predict what happens next. The SPX just made another push to the upside, and the 1-hour wave trend indicator printed a green dot 2 hours ago. If this bullish momentum holds, we could see Bitcoin forming a bottom around these current levels of $94,000. However, today's wick to 92.3 thousand could hint that a final bottom might be established there. In my opinion, we're overdue for a massive pump. Q4 was supposed to be bullish for Bitcoin, but December delivered a disappointing negative 2.85% monthly return, an unusually poor performance for a halving year. Now for the big question, who's selling right now? It looks like the Bitcoin tourists are cashing out. I came across a chart on Twitter from a pro-crypto quant dashboard that shows short-term Bitcoin holders sold 23,200 BTC, worth $2.2 billion, at a loss in the past 24 hours. Unfortunately, I couldn't verify this directly since I don't have a subscription to their Pro Tools, but if true, it's worth noting. On top of that, liquidations in the last 24 hours total $646 million. But here's the kicker. While short-term holders are panic selling, Bitcoin ETFs are buying. Yesterday alone, on January 7th, Bitcoin ETFs added $52.4 million worth of BTC. The day before, they bought $978.6 million, and on January 3rd, they added $907.3 million. The big players aren't selling, they're accumulating. Think about that and act accordingly. I'll keep watching the charts and report back to you soon. In the meantime, join my Discord community to stay in the loop. Leave a comment, it really helps with the algorithm. And if you got value out of this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.